I'm gonna see if this works. If it doesn't, charge it to the game, guys. I'm trying. See. Already starting off with the black. Yikes. 5 minutes needs to go by before we get too wrapped up in this. Just gonna do 2 charts instead of 4. So far, everything is falling, but I need to see 5 minutes on the clock. We need to get to the first 5-minute bar. It's 9:32. Okay. Let's see, I'll see. Trying to move this around here. There we go. All right. I think this working now. Okie dokie. And some more charts. Boom. Okay. I think we're good to go. All right, guys. So as you can see, it's hitting its first level, 691.86. Right, Tesla falling, AMD. We need to wait. We need to wait for it to get to its 5 minutes. Let's see what it look like. Chart here. It's gonna hit that 72 moving average. If it can go below that, we might be looking getting down to 690 on SPY. We got IWM, and then let's see Tesla dropping. Anytime it's this huge, big of a drop on a 5-minute chart, you need to let that play and bounce back a little bit. Don't just get in there because it will snap back on you. Okay. All right, still waiting. 9:34. Okay, so this is going to let us know where we are on the chart. Right here, it's in the 15 moving average. I mean, at the 72 moving average, 9:34. So we are waiting patiently to see exactly what is going on here. So let's see. It's down. Here is our streaming. Okay. All right, should be good to go. So now we are officially 9:35. And let me change this orb. Boom. This just hit the 200 moving average. If it keeps going, we're looking for it to get to 691. Be patient. It's excuse me, we want to see if it snaps back. Yesterday had a super high day, as you can see. So this is where it could possibly go down to 405 on Tesla if it cannot go higher because this huge order block area. I need to see what it's going to do at this bottom area for me to know. Excuse me, because yesterday was a super, super high day. And I just can't see it just crashing down all the way down to 0. So it's 9:36. You can ride this to 691 and get out, but we are going to literally wait to see what happens after it breaks this box. Well, I am. Now Tesla broke out of the box. Next stop for Tesla, possible 409. But again, keeping in consideration that it seems like it is on an upward trajectory on a longer time frame, this could go. Let's see. If this keeps going down, it looks like it could possibly just go to puts all day long. And I am going to enter in a put for SPY, and I'm going to try to ride that for 690. I'm only going to trade what I can lose. Okay. So I'm telling you that right now. See, it's snapping back right now. So just waiting here. Okay. Excuse me. I'm still going to go ahead and get into a put. It's hitting the 73 mark. I'm in one put on SPY. I'm already up in profit. My goal is to see if it could possibly get to this 690 as it's an imbalance right here. But I will add more positions after this 73. Tesla is also going down. But again, I do believe it could snap back. So please be careful. I want to go back to a lower time frame here. We're looking for it to possibly get to 691. As you can see, it snapped back off of 691, so be careful. If it can continue this downward trajectory, then we will go ahead and add more puts. If not, I'm gonna go ahead and exit and ride this up for the day. I'm just waiting to see patiently what is it gonna do. Because if so, we can go ahead and ride this all the way down to 690, and I will add more contracts if it breaks 691.86. And that will be my move for today. But again, I need to see it break 691 for me to do that, or it's going to snap and head back up. So 691 to right here, then we're looking here if it can hold. But currently, puts are coming in. Tesla is holding the line right there. It is starting to show more bearish momentum. Pausing at 691. Yep. Pausing. Be careful. Grab your profits as necessary. Next one we're going to is 690. If it can hold a line, add more contracts under 69163. Only trade what you can lose. I don't want no sad faces with all these puts. Grab your money, because if it goes in green and you let greed get you, then, I do see it go to the 690 and easy. Okay, here we go. Can it make it to 690? And that is going to be the take profit area. Yes, I'm in profit on SPY puts. Hope you guys are in. This is an easy play. If it can get to 690, that is a sizable, it's a nice move here. At 943, this is the real momentum, and this is where you're going to see the orb box being pushed out of currently. At 945. Can we get all the way down to 690? That would be amazing. Tesla is taking his time to get there, not doing anything. SPY TQQQ. Currently in profit 13%. All right. Tesla is pulling up. So that means be careful on SPY. It's officially 945. Let's see here. I'm looking here to probably take profit around 690 on SPY. All right, I'm going to grab most of my contracts off of this and let my runners run. This is pretty strong. Love it. It held the line. Let's go. 20%. Halfway mark. Can we make it to 690.50? That would be great. This is cleaning up the imbalance from yesterday, guys. This is what it looks like on the hour chart. So this is the imbalance that is cleaning up from yesterday. And the imbalance stops around 690, could possibly come all the way down to 690.82. Tesla is now dropping as well. I don't know how long it will sustain this though. Yes, SQQQ broke out of the box going up, meaning that SPY is going down. So that's a good sign that SPY is going down. This is why I have SQQQ on here, so you can see the opposite end of the shorts. Because it doesn't read it breaking on the below of the box for whatever reason. I don't know why. It should though. Personally. All right, so this gives me more confidence that this is going to continue to go since it's broke out of the box on SQQQ. TQQQ, NVIDIA. Now we're looking for more. Let's see. Need to add my shorts to this. We got Uber out the box. If anyone is interested in Uber, not Tesla, let's go to Uber. I'm going to just show other ones on here. Uber is going out the box, but it already hit this order block. So that's a good look on there. I'm still in SPY only. I like it. All the way down. I think we could do 690. Mm, looking good. I like it for SPY. Hope your inputs, guys. SQQQ is printing. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other ones in there, the shorts, so we can see when things are falling. Uber is pushing. Trying to see what else is about to push out the box. I still think we can get some kind of play here off of that. Change this to default. All right. SPY still pushing. Uber still moving. All right, my goal here is to go ahead and exit at 690 and keep runners going. Getting alerts on strong bearish candles on SPY. See how far we can push this. You can't help if it snaps back on you. That's why you got to try to get your profit when you can. But I do think that it could potentially go all the way down to 690. And I'm noticing here on these dots, these are the Keltner channels. And usually it does tend to hit the Keltner channels as it goes through the day. It bounces like ping pong off of it. If anyone's interested, look up the Keltner channels and you can find some really cool indicators around that. The indicator I have on mine is called Keltner Channel Signals, and you can change that however you like it. I do think we can get there. There might be a big push down. This is going to be a short day for me, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and grab these profits off the top. It's 9:52. Hope you guys are enjoying your easy profits this morning. I love when God lets the money rain like BMF in a nice legal way. Love it. Nice. This is a push. I'm here for it. Okay, just a few more minutes to let this keep going. Get your runners, grab your profits. Nice push down. Nice. Yeah, I don't know about you, but some of these contracts is whack. I'm good, but it definitely should be giving way more than it's doing. Like, what is going on? This theta is nuts. I try to get past that, but if you can, try to do like next day contracts on SPY if you're adding more. Okay. Last little push down. On the 30-minute chart here, I think we could possibly go ahead and get to, like I said, 690. PLTR is pushing up. More puts are pulling into QQQ right now. Let's see PLTR. Don't get clapped on PLTR. It pulls up and then it does like a fall off. AMD does the same thing. Those tech companies push up, pull back, and they're just basically just trying to change their price trajectory highs. So be careful with those. Be really careful with these contract selections today. They're not smooth at all. And I'm pretty close in the money. I mean, damn. I don't know what it was expecting out of me today. Let's see. Okay. Last little push. We should be able to get to 690 easy. Dropping below the moving averages. There we go. There we go. Grab your profit. It's not playing this morning, guys. It's not holding profits easy. These contracts are very fickle. So please don't be greedy. Grab your shit and go. And be grateful. Greed is not where we are in our room, right, guys? No, we're not. Y'all can take that greediness somewhere else. Okay. Here we go. Nice pull. $690.66. Yeah, it's bugging, bro. I don't know what's going on. It's not even letting me get out of some of these contracts. Be careful, guys. Profit is what we want. We want to be in green today. I know that's where I want to be. Where I want to be. I know one thing. The 690 put is nice. SQQQ is printing out. Yeah, we might be able to go a little bit. I grabbed all my profits, so I hope you did. If you get in below 690. Nice. If this can push down, we're looking good. Oh, SoFi broke out. All right. All right. This 690 is a good contract for sure. 690. When I cleared out everything and kept my 690, it was running. All contracts are not made the same. I swear they're not. even if it looks good interest, open interest. That's why it's good to have a few different ones so you can see exactly where it's going. Nice. We could possibly see that to come down to 6. I personally feel like 690 was the move, but I don't know. Let's see if it can go further. It could possibly go further today, guys. We could go down, I know, to the Keltner channel. Yep. Lots of momentum pouring into this. Be careful for the snapback. Y'all making money? I pray you are. Here we go, 689.64. Bouncing off Keltner. Shh. Oof. Look at that thing, boy. It ain't playing today. It ain't. Broke the Keltner. Can it keep breaking it though? Once it hits the Keltner, it kind of snaps back. So if it breaks Keltner, you know it's strong today. And if it breaks Keltner, it could possibly go to 688.50. Add contracts underneath it. It's so strong. God. I'm out though. 10:03. I'm about to get a Starbucks, y'all. I ain't got no coffee. I've been up on the West Coast. All right, let's go. Cool. I'm cool with this. Can we push back down for the people for the next few minutes? Spy. Mm-mm. I'm looking at what it's on. It's talking about Kava. Oh, Kava. Ooh, wee. Yeah, the market is on tank mode. Yikes. See what the 10-minute look like. It's already forming a wick though, so if y'all didn't get your profits, it's probably wise to just get them now and then add later. It's already starting to print bearish, bullish momentum here. So if it can come back down under this, then you can probably go ahead and add if you want to. It's not financial advice, just financial fun. Hope y'all making some bread this morning. Kava looks fantastical. God, Kava is such a good trade. Like I remember trading Kava back in the day, paid it nice. Let's see what that kind of contract's looking at. Hmm, nice. Got some for, I don't like the open interest, but whatever. SMCI is my jam. SMCI. XOM. Ooh, let's see what XOM is talking about, people. Bro, I do not know how people trade out of their house. This is crazy work. I think it's easier to trade futures when you're out of town. I'll be honest with you. That seems to be my jam. Futures is definitely out of town type of thing. Stocks, I need to figure out what the professionals do when they're out of town because seems a little stressful. But here we go. Some puts are coming in on SPY still. So this could possibly go down some more, but I'm out. 690 was my jam on that. See, it's starting to wick up, starting to wick. That might have been it. Look, right on the line of liquidity. So if it can break that line, we're talking about another big fall, guys. That would be fantastical for some people if that's what they want to do. Oh, yep. Seller's block just popped in. Looks like it can get some more seller energy. Nice. Can it break it? I think it can come down more, guys. I don't know. That's what I'm saying. Gosh, I'm cold. Let me get me a hoodie and jacket. One moment. All right, I'm back. I'm back in the town. Let's go. I can't believe how garbage those contracts were from earlier. That was not like you, Spy. If it can push down to 689.50, guys, we're gonna have another big tear down for sure. Let's look at it on a longer time frame. Yeah. There you go. Yep, I think it can get down there, guys. For sure. Would I add more contracts? No, I would not. Not until it breaks the Keltner channel. Just being honest. Which is these little dots here. It would have to break that for me to think it's gonna go higher. I mean lower. And so far it just keeps bumbling around. So I need to see some momentum going down. Yep. Let me click this Keltner channel quick. This is where the line is for the Keltner. And it hasn't quite touched it yet. Yeah, let's see here. Shrinking back is 10, 11, 10. So 10, 15, we'll probably see some more momentum to about 10:30. So let's see what it can do till 10:30. 10:30, you'll know if it's going to go past it or not. It's 7:11 here on the West Coast. Here we go. If it can break this line, guys, I would consider adding more contracts. I'm not, but I do like it. For the greedy gimmies out there, for the greedy gimmies, yeah, let's go. It looks like it's a doozy. Might go ahead down to 688 on that thing. Man, if it can do that, that would be what? Hope y'all getting paid. Look, Kava trying to pay. I like it. Shit, if you can make damn $100, $200 an hour, man. That's shoot. That's man. Who you might not be making that at your job. And this was one of them days. Just a nice contract and get you a nice cool $100. Think it can go ahead and get down to 688. Oop, almost there, guys. I think Tesla's putting two, guys. Here we go. Boop. I did not expect this out of here. I did not expect this. What the hell is going on with SPY? 112% on this contract. 687.35. God. Went crazy. Still going crazy. Ooh, I wish I was in this thing. God, look at Tesla, Lord. Where is it going? Ooh, 687.35. Oh, God, it's just falling apart. Talk about a market crash. And it's still going. I'm straight. I can't. It looks so good. Oh wow, it is fantastic. Bouncing around at 687.35. Who's in this? What's IWM doing? Yep, falling. Bouncing up off of 687.35. Can it push down? Pushing past it. Pushing P. Man, this was a good day, guys. We'll go play in the water. Ooh, look at that. Oh wow. It is not playing. Can it get down to 686? Oh, geez, look at this. Amazing. I swear to God, I'm not even in it and I just love watching it fall apart. Can it get to 685? Ooh, that would be crazy work. Mhm. Look at this, Lord. Is it still going? Oh man, XLE is moving. I don't even want to get in there. It's so expensive. Okay, guys. XLE though. I think XLE. Um, look at XLE here. Oh my goodness. Look at this spy. It's crazy, go nuts. I just can't. As tempting as it looks, I'm just like, I cannot. I need a pullback for me to trust this thing. I'll probably get in on the power hour later today. Let me look at XLE real quick. XLE moving up. Oh yeah. Falling apart, guys. Jeez, jeez, jeez. I ain't seen a black bar like this and since I don't even know when. Whoop. 685 hit those blocks, man. I'm telling you, these little liquidation. Y'all really want to know how to ride a chart? I'm telling you. You see this right here? Mm-mm. This is crazy. This was off of another candle from the previous week somewhere, and it wrote it exactly to it. Man, could possibly do the 681.86. This was a good day, guys. Proud of you. Six more minutes on the clock. These are the only days I want to trade. I don't want to ever trade no other days, man. I swear. Anytime you get one of these days that go like crazy up, get prepared for the days that even it out, like today. Nice. Let's see if it's gonna keep going. On a lower time frame, looking at this. See if it can push down. Waiting to see here for another. Right now it's pulling back off of this liquidity line, which is the open and close of another candle previously. If it breaks this, then it might be going down to 681.86. 4 more minutes left on the clock. XLE looks fantastical. All right. We got 1027. We could possibly get to 681.86. 3 more minutes. Okay, one more push on SPY. Could push down. 1029 left. 1 minute on the clock. Nope. Nope. All right. Hope you enjoy your money today. And I'm out.